Here's something new. I'm alive inside of me. I'm on the move. Come inside of me. Hey guys, this is a very easy, quick, but pretty full face Colourpop tutorial, mostly full face. These are all of the products that I used today in the video. So I'm starting off with their foundation, and this foundation is okay. It looks dry on my skin, even though I have oily skin, but once I put powder on, it's usually okay. And I really do love their powder. I don't use it very often because I try to save it for as long as possible, but it's really good. And I'm taking their cream blush. I don't know what color, but it's from the Strawberry collection. I bought the whole collection, so. And it's really nice. It's easily blendable too, as you can see with the brush, it's blending out really nicely. And then I'm taking this very pink blush, and I'm just lightly putting that on top. And then their cream highlight. This can look chunky and like very strong and patchy on the skin, so I always take a brush after patting it on to try to spread it out a little bit and blend it into my skin, because it definitely looks like it's sitting on top if you don't. And then I'm taking their Brow Boss dark brown, I think, brow pencil. This is brand new. I have been using an eyeshadow for my eyebrows, but I remembered that I had this laying around, so I'm using it. Then I'm taking their brow gel. I think this is also in the shade dark brown, and I'm just putting that right on top. Couldn't decide which palette, but I ended up with this one because I needed the neutrals. So I'm taking that nude shade right there, and that's going to be my transition. And by the way, I'm singing if you can see in the background. And then I'm taking that darker brown, and I'm putting that all over my lid and blending it into the transition shade that I have on there. And I'm also putting that on my lower lash line. And then this is a Jelly Mutt shadow, also from the Strawberry collection. I think it's called Strawberry Jam. And I'm patting that all over my lid. And then this is, I think, in collaboration with Bretman Rock, it says. Yeah, it's a glitter that I bought and I never really used because it's oil-based, I think, so I have to use that NYX glitter glue right underneath it if I want to put it on. Otherwise, it'll separate because I have oily and hooded eyes. So as you can see, I wasn't taking that all the way. Just my inner corners and a little bit further out. And then I'm going into my Strawberry Shake palette, and I couldn't decide which shimmer to use, but I chose this like peachy orangey shade. That was my first time actually using it. It's a very nice shade, especially for this look. And then, don't come for me, I don't actually like their mascara. I had it, I finished it all the way through, but I don't know. I wasn't crazy about it, so I used this one from Essence. And now I'm taking a lip pencil called 951. It's in collaboration with Karen. And I'm just kind of outlining my lips. I'm not actually putting it on my full lips, if that makes sense. Then I'm taking the Aquarius Lippy Sticks, which is in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.